Excuse the hair.
I can still hear that look thing from here.
So from the previews you probably just saw, we've arrived at this undisclosed location meet thingy. They didn't disclose the location till like about before what,
About 7:30 or something like that.
about 7:30ish. And yeah, you just saw from the preview and stuff and the side shots that, yeah, it's pretty crazy. I didn't really vlog much because, you know,
It's very noisy.
it's very noisy and nobody will really hear a word I'm saying, so we're just gonna get something to drink and that now. And yeah, it's at Silverlink, which is near Newcastle way, and there's a lot of shops here and stuff, so yeah, it makes a change because usually there's hardly any facilities at all. I'll leave you with this though, this cool micro. Look at that. Look at that.
Tasty. Walk straight across your shop.
That's all good. That will never happen to mine. as promised. Well, I didn't promise it. Did I promise it? I think I said yesterday we were gonna fit the 621 oil cap. So we're gonna fit now. We've got absolutely nothing.
Put your own thing to it.
Yeah, you gotta stick it down. It's like a resin thing. We've got nothing to record today, so
Clutching at straws.
and it's Sunday. Yesterday was Saturday. This will all just be one video, I guess. So, genuine Mugen.
Says it on the cap, like.
It does.
Oh, it fits.
Nice. Now for the grand finale. Genuine Mugen bonnets there. It's good that.
Scared.
Make sure it's centre. Make sure it's centre.
It's not centre.
No centre.
Right, it's sitting that lip. It's not the easiest thing to work with later. That. It's close. I just want it over that way, but I can't get the move. I'll have to do.
It's okay.
Don't do it close, it makes it look worse.
You can't really see it. Like, personally, I think that looks okay. I don't really know. It's real clean, that, bro.
It's dirty at the minute. It's filthy.
That's what that's for. You clean it.